Freight train.
Freight
Choo,
train.
choo.
Choo choo.
A train runs across this track.
Look, a dick.
Red caboose at the back.
Red.
Orange tank car next. Yellow hopper car.
Green.
Green cattle car. Blue gondola car.
Green.
Purple box car. Box car. Is that in your way? Choo choo. A black tender and a black steam engine. Woo! Woo! Is that a train? You see the black smoke? Whoa! Freight train.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
Moving. Shh. Going through tunnels. Woo woo. See, there's the mountain. Going by cities. See the cities? Look how fast it is. Whoa, fast.
No, leave this part.
So fast. Train, choo-choo. Crossing trestles. Moving in daylight. Oh, whoops. Moving in darkness. Moving in daylight. Going, going. Shh.
Going.
Gone.
Gone.
Train is gone. Where are you, train? Daxton? No. There it is. Choo choo. Ooh. Merrick, do you like the train? Train. Say choo choo. You need another train book?